from child's pose, slowly look front. Start to spread your fingers, pressing your index finger and your thumb down, bringing our shoulders above our wrists. Tuck our toes. Let's come to downward facing dog. Lift our knees off the mat. Start to bring our belly button closer towards our thighs, pushing our palms and our index finger and our thumb down into the ground strongly. Stretching, extending our arms and our armpits and the sides of our body. Engage our front thighs. Make sure your toes are pointing really forward, not towards the sides. And you're engaging your front thighs, drawing your belly button closer towards your thighs. Let's look front, bringing our body slightly forward. Take our right feet between our palms. And then we're going to ground our left leg down slightly 45 degrees. So if our right leg is pointing at 12 p.m., this left leg is pointing at 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. direction. Engaging our abs, find our balance, slowly bring our upper body up, hands towards our hips. Make sure both your hips are facing forward, not towards the side. You want to have both your hips facing forward. So you need to adjust your back feet such that it allows you to have both hips facing forward. And the left outer edge of your feet, make sure you press it down firmly into the ground, engaging the front thighs here. Engaging your left front thighs. Bending your right knee such that your right knee comes directly above the right ankles. Rolling your tailbone down. Lengthening and stretching the front thighs. This is warrior one pose. When you're ready, arms up to the air, palms facing each other. Lengthen the center of your chest up towards the ceiling. Keep rolling your tailbone down. Keep pressing your left outer edge of your feet down onto the ground. Engaging your left front thighs. Let's inhale, engage our abs, lean our body forward as if we're making a 45-degree shape with our body to the ground. Good, staying here for a little while. Feel the burn in your right outer buttocks. Let's gently release our fingers onto the ground. And keep looking front. If you cannot touch the ground, hold on to your yoga block or your water bottle at the end of your hands. Let's inhale, take our left hand up towards the ceiling. Nice. Pointing our left hand up towards the ceiling like someone pulling our hand. Let your chest and your belly button face towards the left side of your room. Let's exhale. Take our left hand down. Let's take our right hand up. Twisting our body. Right hand pointing towards the ceiling. Look towards the right side of your room. Lengthen the back of your neck. Let's slowly bring our right hand back. From here, we're going to take our left elbow, put it outside of our right knee. Left elbow outside of our right knee. Take your palms into prayer pose. Press your palms against each other, looking over to the right side of your room. Gently pressing your palms against each other. Let the thumb come towards the center of your chest. Do not lose your back leg, your left outer edge of your feet. Still pressing down. Your left thighs are still engaged. When you feel ready, right hand take to your right hips. Left hand go down towards the floor, touching at the outer edge of your right feet, and twist your spine looking over to the right side. Just look to the right side of your room. Don't look up. Engage your left front thighs. Very nice. Let's slowly release. Palms back down onto the ground. Bring the right leg back. Coming to downward facing dog. Pressing our palms firmly into the mat, engaging our front thighs, lengthen our arms and our armpits. Let's slowly take our left leg forward, put it between the palms, grounding our right feet, 45 degrees. So imagine if your left leg is pointing at 12 o'clock, your right feet will point at 1 or 2 o'clock. Engaging abs, slowly bring ourselves up front. Again, you want to have both your hips facing forward, pressing the right outer edge of your feet down on the ground. Engage your right front thighs. Bend the left knee until the left knee comes directly above the ankles. Both your hips are facing forward. Roll your tailbone down. When you're ready, inhale, raise our arms up. Press the right outer edge of your feet down onto the ground. Lengthen our chest up towards the ceiling, chin parallel to the ground, roll the tailbone down. Engaging our abs, lean our body forward, making a 45-degree shape with our body to the ground. Slowly and gently, palms to the fingers to the ground. Let's take our right arms up towards the ceiling. Looking to the right side of our room. Back of the neck, long. Exhale, right hand down. Take the left hand up towards the ceiling. Look towards the left side of the room. Lengthen the back of your neck. Pull your left palm more up towards the ceiling. Don't lose your back feet. Right outer edge of your feet, still pressing down on the ground. Right feet, right thighs, all engaged. Left hand down. Now let's take our right elbow outside of the left knee. Put your palms into prayer pose. Press your palm against each other. Open your chest to the left side of your room. Let the thumb touch the center of your chest. Look to the left side of the room. Lengthen the back of your neck. Don't lose your back leg. Keep engaging your right thighs. Slowly and gently, left hand to your hips. Lengthen your right hand down to the ground. Right fingers touching on the outer side of your left feet. And twist your spine to the left side. Lengthen the back of your neck. Good. Slowly and gently release ourselves. Downward facing dog. Spread your fingers. Index finger and thumb pressing down. Push your palms into the ground. Lengthen your arms. Lengthen your armpit. Engage your front thighs. Toes pointing forward. Slowly and gently release your knees down to the ground. Toes slightly touching. Seat your buttocks to your heels. Hairline down onto the ground. Arms stretching forward. Resting here for a little while.